Hi everyone, today I'm sharing a bit of the village life. On this day, I was just missing my dad. I woke up missing my dad, and I just decided to go around the house. And the first place I went to is Asibayeni, and that was his favorite place. Um, this place is beautiful, it's peaceful. It's the best place to go to when you need a break, when you need some calmness. And it was just perfect as we had laid my mom to rest and we stayed over with the kids and spent some time at home. And this is behind our house, um, and it's right at the back. That's where we have big fields. This here is one of the places where my dad will do his gardening, and now my brother is taking over, and he had gone to fetch some firewood, and this is it. It's not really easy because he has to go through that big bush and go down and find all the sort of dry woods. And I felt like going to a low stream down our mom and dad's house. It runs down all the way down to join the biggest river, umhlonyane. And this is where we grew up bathing and doing our washing or laundry. Mostly the neighborhood kids, especially girls, we would have days, especially the weekends, where we would plan and we will go down here and do our washing. And after doing our washing, we'll bath as well. Right now, it's almost time for the cows to get into the fields, graze. So the place looks a bit scary and has lots of weeds, but my brother tried to make a way here for us to go to the river, as it's one of the things that we have to do after a funeral. There is some cleansing that takes place, and we do it at the river. And there it is. While I was there, I was thinking, and I got reminded that my dad once went to bath here, and he said there was a big snake crossing to the other side. And so when I got there, I remembered that, and I was like, oh wow, okay, let me not go too close. But here it is, where I was raised, lapho khona ikhona inkaba yami. And this is in high flats, kaQwathaza. And the worst part about this is uqadolo, blackjacks. Oh my god. Uh, they will hold on to you like, I don't know. But it was a good morning. I got to calm a bit after going to the river and going to see the cows and just taking it all in, and remembering all the good times growing up with my mom and my dad around. So this day turned out to be good after all. But I had a lot of work to do because I forgot about this. and I went down there with my pajamas, Crocs, instead of wearing boots. And usually my mom will try and put on old clothes so that they would have let me say this in isiZulu, baba ney'mpahla iy'ngubo zokuvuna, so balobe begqoka zona nje and then cadolo ubambelele kuzona. But here I was, totally forgot about it and just dived into it. But yeah, I managed to take it all off, and it was a calming space. It was a calming time for me. So yeah, that is it. Let me know in the comments if you would love to see more of this content, and thank you so much for watching.